Give a second chance. People say, don't judge a person by one mistake. I'll share a story with you. There was a blind man who was living on his pension, and he had to go to the bank every month to draw his pension. And he used to take his young nephew along with him, who used to count the notes from the teller and give it back to this old man. This went on for years. And once, this nephew, used to steal a couple of notes from that bundle of notes of pension, thinking that the old man will not know or he'll not come to know. One day, the teller, he was very upset that this old blind man has faith in this boy and this chap is cheating him. So he takes him to a corner, the old man, and tells him that, sir, do you know your nephew is a chore, he's a cheat. Every time I see that you can't see him, but I can see him, and he pulls out a couple of notes of 100 rupees from your pension and pockets it, and you don't even come to know. The old man said, no, I know it, but I am very happy. At least he accompanies me to the bank, makes me cross the road. I come here, he counts for me. Doesn't matter if he takes two notes, out of it, two or three notes. Anyway, the teller said that, sir, this is very bad. I think this is just the beginning. He will become a dacoit, he'll become a big thief. So that was his prediction based on this observation. Now, believe me, this guy, and this is a true story, this teller, after some time, went to see this nephew who had now grown up. He was doing a job. He was a teacher in a school. And he was so surprised that he was the best teacher. And he was also doing a lot of charity. He built something for the students from his own money. So, the moral of the story is that if somebody is bad once, or if he is caught cheating once, it does not mean that you label him as a cheat forever. At least give him another chance. But yes, this is with a caveat or with a rider that if a chap keeps repeating it again and again and again, then you got to be cautious of such a person. Thank you.